Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about CWM, that is Chartered Wealth Manager. Let us first understand what is CWM. A CWM is a professional designation issued by an American Academy of Financial Management, that is AAFM. This certification certifies that professional competence in various aspects of financial management like investment, legalities, real estate, planning, taxation, portfolio management, etc. etc. A CWM aspirant must have 3 or more years of work experience in the field of wealth management only. Now, the 3 key goals of a chartered wealth manager. The first goal is to preserve the wealth of the client. Second goal is to enhance the wealth of the client, and third goal is to transfer wealth to the next generation. These are the 3 key goals of chartered wealth manager. Now let's have a broader look at the roles and responsibilities of CWMs. A CWM recommends individual and collective investment options, that is portfolio. He analyzes and evaluates historical and present financial data of client, and on that basis he recommends wealth management strategies in accordance with the needs of the client. He focuses on preservation, enhancement and transfer of wealth of the client, as we read earlier. He provides tax planning advisory to his clients. He provides real estate planning advisory to clients. He educates the clients about how to enhance wealth by asset allocation, diversification, etc. So these are the basic roles and responsibilities performed by the CWM. And the one last and not least is he keeps an eye on the markets and updates the clients about new opportunities. He acts as a financial guardian of his client. Now next are the designation. What are the job roles offered to the CWMs? First is private bankers. The CWM certification holders can work as private bankers in retail banking. They can work as wealth managers. They can give wealth advisories to clients. They can work as trust managers. They can become investment managers, portfolio managers. They can become fund managers, and last, they can become chief financial officers. Yes, it gives them an opportunity to work as chief financial management officer of an organization. Why CWM? What are the benefits of pursuing CWM? Why do you think students opt for this certification course? First thing is offers you increased pay. CWM designation holders earn 27% higher than the non-certified ones. It helps you in giving an opportunity to earn higher than others. Increased competency. It increases your competency in the field of wealth management as you learn various aspects related to the wealth management, and it increases your competency. Wider scope. It increases the chances of working at higher positions like CFO, Chief Financial Officer. It gives you opportunity to work at higher position in an organization. As you are now a certification holder, it provides you with various additional skills and abilities so that you are able to work at higher positions. Enhance skills and knowledge. It enables candidates to acquire the skills needed by the industry and helps them stand out of the crowd, and it sets them apart from the crowd and gives them a USP that sets them apart of the crowd. Last but not the least, it separates you from the crowd. It gives you a uniqueness as you now have additional skills and knowledge in your hands, so it ensures your career advancement. That's all for today. Thank you.